In past videos, we've used the microphone to record in-person captions. Now I'm going to quickly show how you might use Caption-Ed to generate captions for other media. So you can do this in the desktop app if you select the computer audio options, but I'm going to show how to use the web browser extension. I'm using Microsoft Edge, but this also works in Google Chrome. Ordinarily, you wouldn't use Caption-Ed with YouTube, but it's just an easy example to show. YouTube has its own built-in captions, so you would use them for YouTube, but we'll just take a look at it for now. At the top of Edge, I'm going to click on Extensions, and then I'm going to click on Caption-Ed. Here, I can select my language like we saw in the desktop app. I can also change the color and the size of the captions depending on what suits me best. Then to start captioning, I just click the Start button. So it's opened up a little window here at the bottom. I can move this to where I want it on the screen. I'm just going to pop it there. And then if I click play on this video, it will start to generate the captions.
That is the question. Whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles, and by opposing end them.
And I'm going to click pause on that. At the bottom of your transcript, you have the option to download it. So that will download it as a text file. So I'll click download there, and I'll show that in a second. To stop this transcription, all I need to do is go back to our extensions page, click on Caption-Ed, and click stop. What's interesting about Caption-Ed is Caption-Ed will now create a transcript for this entire video. So if I go back to our library, it's currently processing that video, so it's going to take a few minutes to do. I'll skip that and come back to it. It's finished processing now, so if I click on it, it opens our transcript and it's actually generated the full transcript, not just what we viewed. I could have gone in and edited this if it made any mistakes, but I chose not to. And the last thing to show is when I downloaded it earlier, if I open up Windows Explorer, you can see I have my transcription file here as a text file. If I open it, it has our transcription.